This is Steve with Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a Honda Pioneer 500. Changing your oil is easy and one of the most important things you can do for your machine. Now, Honda recommends checking your oil at every fuel stop and then changing it at 20 hours or 100 miles, and then again at every 100 hours or 600 miles thereafter. So today I'm going to show you how to do that on this 2018 Honda Pioneer 500. Now, these procedures that I show you will work on all Honda Pioneer 500s, years ranging from 2015 to 2019. To do this job, we are using the Tusk oil change kit because it comes with everything you need to do the job. You will also need some basic hand tools, a torque wrench, an oil pan, rags, gloves, and safety glasses, and a copy of your OEM service manual for more information, proper procedures, and specs. First thing we need to do is fire up our machine and let it warm up. You'll need to do this in a well-ventilated area. Now, if you choose to elevate your machine, make sure to do it in a safe manner. Let's place our oil pan underneath the machine. Now let's remove the drain plug. Just make sure to grab the crush washer and let's let it drain. Next, let's take some contact cleaner and a rag and clean around the drain bolt. Now let's clean off the drain plug and install a new crush washer. Next, let's install the drain plug and torque it to 18 foot-pounds. After that, we can remove the seat and backrest. Now we will remove the passenger side plastic shroud, followed by the driver's side rubber cover. You'll need to remove the rear tray so that you can remove the last plastic rivet. Now let's remove the oil filter cover bolts, the cover, the oil filter, and don't forget the spring. Next, we can pull the O-ring off the oil filter cover and use some contact cleaner and clean it. Now let's put some new oil on the O-ring and install it on the filter cover. Next, let's use some contact cleaner and a rag and clean out where the oil filter goes. Next, we can put some new oil on the rubber seal on the oil filter. Next, we can install the spring, followed by the oil filter. Now, the oil filter is directional. Make sure that the rubber seal goes out. After that, we can install the cover, then the bolts, and torque those to 9 foot-pounds. Make sure to clean off any excess residue from the oil change. Now let's remove the dipstick. Then we can add 3 quarts of oil. Let's install the dipstick, and we'll start the machine and let it warm up. Now let's remove the dipstick, wipe off the oil, insert the dipstick back in without screwing it in, and that will give us the accurate oil level. Now you can see that we're a little low, so let's go ahead and add 0.2 quarts for a total of 3.2 quarts. Perfect, right where we want it. Now let's install the dipstick and reassemble the machine. And that's it. That's how easy it is to change the oil on your Honda Pioneer 500. Come check us out at RockyMountainATVMC.com for more parts, apparel, and accessories. And if you like what you see here, subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is Steve. We'll catch you next time.